Vacancies, there are none. States may direct. Look for our song via Safe Dated Album, available on YouTube Red. Listen to it now. States may direct. You're just touching an apple for 3 minutes. MerriweatherA.Law, advancing clients with us. Touch your toes. What signs do you need? Advancing clients with us with MerriweatherA.Law. Verizon. Why Verizon? We have in-store pickup, the quickest way to get your hands on your order online. Pick it in store. Better matters. If something is important, it should just work. See why Verizon is America's best network. Only on Verizon. SteamPower.com. Buy and download full retail games. Join our community. And communists. It's virtual reality, not reality.
Josh, from the kind of
I'm from here.
prosecutorial and investigative decisions that are made by the
And I am Miss Currency from the Reconcile the
It's
Differences.
their
How can I help you guys?
responsibility to make those decisions
We got a phone call at
about
4:49.
investigations and prosecutions independent of any sort of political interference.
What kind of Radio
They
Shack
will defend
receives
their
a call at that time?
In fact, it's their responsibility.
It's their responsibility.
Is it concerning at all to the White House?
We will never forget that call.
Justice Department,
4:49. Safe link
basically griping at each other
in Metro. A safe link.
or semi-public.
Sausage party.
They have to work very closely
Get a
together
sausage
to keep
party.
the country safe.
Get a safe link
Is
wireless.
there an issue there
Sausage
that
links.
needs to be resolved so that
With
the
maple.
Justice Department isn't accusing the FBI?
States may
of not following
direct.
proper procedures?
Vacancies.
Well, Josh, you've heard me
Well,
discuss the president's view of
Duty of confidentiality and breach of
character.
patient confidentiality.
Let me just tell you that
Denied
the
to prevent a
president
critical
has a lot
noncompliance.
of confidence in the Attorney
States may
General of
direct
the United States,
vacancies.
Loretta Lynch, to run that department.
And states
And she is
may
somebody who's
advance
spent
clients
decades as a career
with
prosecutor.
LTE, S1L5, NYU, Zero Fishkin.
A lot of that work
Oh, why did that make sense?
was done when she was the
Was done when she was
head of the
homeless.
Eastern District of New York, U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District.
U.S.
of
Attorney.
New York. That is a
We were homeless and
a
loss
position
prevention.
where
We don't lose the home.
these kinds of decisions
We don't lose the
are
White House at all.
Scrutinized
Scrutinized
by the media that's
by
based
the
in the largest
media
city in our country. So she's
and
used to this
Jeb
kind of
Bush, Florida. We
and
made that
the
clear.
president's got complete confidence
It's
in
rigged
her ability to
to
handle this situation,
handle this situation
responsibly,
responsibly
and consistent with
and
the
consistently
institutional responsibilities that are vested with the
that are
Department of Justice.
vested.
And one other question on a topic that I know is difficult to talk about.
It's our
for-
jam.
for Another reason. The president's
Rush hour.
Obama
Yes, rush hour in a jam. We can't get through. It's a
posted in
jam.
a New York newspaper
Too many cars in a row. You know, too many cars.
saying he wasn't sufficiently supporting his family in Kenya.
Material support. You got it. Restless leg syndrome. Hello, Arthur Street.
Sons or children passed away.
Miller Fillmore Suburban.
By saying, I will not be humiliated. The president
Restless leg. Mr. Padias.
that op-ed or about the fact that this family issue is playing out publicly.
To the
I have
drone.
to admit that I have not seen
The use of
referring
pink shorts.
if we have an official reaction to
June
it.
22nd, dismissed the use land zoning for loss prevention of electoral code 30 hybrid bay. Head without the E. Tim Total. Tom S. Value one. And communicate with your parents via my class medulla, primary vertical cortex, primary visual, primary auditory, accusations, hippocampus, vertical brachial gyros, and the left, the right hemisphere, the brain agreements, and acceptance of identical evidence and discretion of all kinds of things will be used for pink shorts and narrow the business, not limited.
Not have enough independent information to either criticize
Hello, media.
or to come out with a position on Comey's letter. But then I guess what do you say to the American people if the White House doesn't have enough information to decide
True.
whether the letter was appropriate or not? Seemingly, the American people
Hello,
have their
Twitter.
questions about what to believe.
Ring, ring, ring. We got a phone call.
Criticism right now from both sides. There were lots of calls from both sides of the aisle asking Director
Hello.
Comey to release more information.
Hi, this is Millie Sanchez.
Do you feel that the American people
Hi,
don't have
Millie. How are you?
more information
I'm
about
fine.
this?
I'm calling to let you
Oh,
know
I mean,
that states may direct vacancies
voting booths
at
right now
4:49
next Tuesday.
p.m.
Well,
Well, thank
Aisha,
you.
this is an entirely
Millie
legitimate question for
Sanchez,
you to
you're
ask,
welcome.
and I think these are the kinds of questions that are being
Thank you for
carefully considered
shopping
by the Department of
Radio
Justice
Shack
right now.
and T-Mobile
Given the institutional
services
responsibilities that are vested here
vested
at the
here
White House.
to the White House.
I just don't have
Yeah,
a recommendation
we sold the
to
first
make.
white
It's
iPhone.
important for them to
Yeah,
make these
make these
decisions
decisions
consistent
with.
Let me be more precise.
Let me
It's
be more
important for
clear. The
officials at
customers
the
coming in
Department of
here don't have
Justice
real
to
valid
make these
ID,
decisions consistent with their institutional responsibilities.
consistent with
And
their
as I made reference
business
to earlier,
EINs.
those officials at the Department
Yeah,
of
we're in
Justice
business.
FBI are given expansive authority
We're in business.
and expansive powers
They're in the
to
CIA.
intrude on the privacy
Shoot on the privacy.
of private citizens.
Private citizens.
And
we
that
chat
authority
with
is
the
kept
NCIA
by long-standing traditions,
by Comey
and norms and guidelines
and norms and guidelines
that largely avoid
that largely are in the FBI.
extensive
Extensive
discussion of those investigations.
public discussion.
Let me give you an example that I think will
Let me give you an example of NBI.
resonate with all of you.
Yahoo Chat,
Day-to-day responsibilities here. at
data
the White House.
responsibilities.
It is not uncommon.
It is not uncommon
for you when you
to get
call
a
the Department of
mize and what
Justice,
size shoe
asking them to even confirm that
to get
this
tricky or
investigation is ongoing.
trickamonis.
For them to decline
I'm
to
not on us. I'm not on
typically, when you
CIA.
report about the fact that there's an ongoing
Lewinsky.
investigation, that's not based
I'm
on
not on
confirmation
CIA.
received from
Received from
an official at
And
the
an official,
Department of Justice.
Department of
It's
Justice.
based on confirmation you've received from
You
an
received-
anonymous official at the Department of Justice who's not willing to speak.
Who's not willing to
about the
speak?
case because it would be improper for them to do so.
Improper for them to do so.
That I think.
That I think,
in a way that
in a
we
way,
all, in a way that reflects
in a
the
way that
reality of the world
reflects
that we
the-
all work in on a
that we all
day-to-day
work in.
basis, I think that underscores.
I think that
the
underscore is Channel 4.
sensitivity, of discussing this information. Now,
Intravenous.
the other thing I think that's important to consider here is there's a tendency to say,
I'm in the FBI.
with regard to this letter that was written on Friday, to say, well, Congress
To
is,
say who's running against Byron Brown
and they have their own
on
independent
Yahoo
oversight
Chat.
responsibilities to
Responsibilities
exercise over the Department of Justice.
over the Department of Justice.
Well, let me say a couple.
Let me say a
things about
couple
that.
things.
First is
The
the kinds of
traditions,
public disclosure of
public
investigations
disclosure. Today is vote by Alien
supersede
6. VBI,
oversight responsibilities or requests
VBI
that are submitted.
that are submitted.
And the reason for that is
And the reason for that is simple.
Congress is
Independent
independent of the executive
Independent
branch,
branch,
but they're far from impartial.
but they're far from.
Congress is made up
Congress
of
is made
535 politicians,
3,500
Democrats and Republicans. And we've already
SCH
seen just in
phones.
the last
Schools
72
here.
hours, the kind of risk
You've
that's
got a school here
associated
phone,
with
3,500.
communicating to them
Yeah, shame me some of that cobbler.
sensitive information.
Shame me some of it.
There's one senior
There's one
Republican
senior.
official who was already indicated
We shopped together
who had previously
with the
announced
UCLA
as a
man.
Republican nominee for president,
Yeah, we shopped with our friend.
who let it slip that his
Who let
party
it
was
slip
considering
that Coffee
impeaching
Bean.
President Clinton, even before she's
Even
been
before
elected.
we're Wilshire in Vermont. It's a
I think,
lie.
is a pretty clear indication
That's a lie.
Congress is not at all impartial.
That's a lie.
And
And Byron
that's
would
why
like his
many of these
order to go.
norms
Yeah, Byron
long-standing
would like his food to go. Give him a bag.
apply even when we're not
It's a
talking about
lie.
someone famous, and even when we're not talking
Give Byron his order to
about
go.
elections
Thank you
people
for
who passed
shopping
away.
Burger King.
That should apply. And the
It's a
presentation of these
lie.
norms
Byron
are,
wants his
important
order to go. Put it in the bag.
These norms are working.
You got it. It's a lie.
Like in this case, Comey, these letters,
DC.
that's what people are saying is that
Kathy
these
Giffords, how are
norms
you?
weren't upheld. We're talking about
It's a lie.
ongoing
All of it.
investigation because
It's all a lie.
So I guess I'm
Yeah,
trying
Lacey.
to parse
Lacey,
out,
it's just all a
so
lie,
where does
Lacey.
the White House stand on
Lacey, you the
that,
man.
just as a general
And it's all a
issue,
lie.
having an
You
ongoing
earned it.
investigation
Earned it.
that's now
Earned
being discussed.
it.
And look, this goes to the fact that because we have worked
Bro, let's do a song.
to shield this investigation, given
Let's give them the cue on
sensitive nature
the
of it.
title.
Well, frankly, even if it weren't
Not
politically
yet.
sensitive,
No, that
we would
we
go to
can't say
great
that.
lengths.
We
would
can't
be
think about that.
scrupulous about
This is a rated
insulating
PG show.
that independent investigation from the even the appearance of political interference.
All right, you may now
So I don't
name the
have any
song
knowledge
now.
of the investigation or the kinds of decisions
Investigations
led Director Comey
led. Investigations led. That's a good title. Investigations led
to the Congress.
up to the
So,
Congress,
I'm
act
not in a
of
position to
Congress.
either defend or criticize.
We can't defend our own health.
That's something that
Investigation led.
Said that the FBI
Investigation led.
and basically he's accusing the FBI
Investigation Investigations led. That was a short song. Yeah, we don't know what to say about that. That's just.
You have more kind of accusations going around about FBI folks.
What are they leading? I don't know.
The White House has not been briefed on the investigation that the Department of Justice and the FBI were conducting into Secretary.
What are they leading? You know?
The White House has not been briefed.
Suggestion
on
aborted.
even the existence
Risk.
of
What are they leading?
investigation into
Into what?
activities or
This is an IMF. We don't understand that.
habits of the Republican nominee.
What does that
These are all
mean?
questions that should be directed to the Department of Justice and to the
Questions. Are we hacking people's house?
Thanks, Josh.
That's it.
Senator
We're hacking people's house.
basically accused the FBI.
Adios. Get out of here. You got it.
And you said that,
Adios.
you believe that Director Comey is
Immigration immunization. Adios.
that Senator Reid said.
Bon voyage.
Once believed that Director Comey was a
Depart.
he now no longer believes that. So what do you
Skedaddle. Go.
that letter? Do you agree with Senator Reid?
Skip to you, Lou.
questions about the
That's it.
application of the Hatch Act
Go.
directed to the Office of Special Counsel.
Go, Calais. We got it. Thank you. Judge Devlin. We gotta go. This has been VBAx06.
Investigators who
Go. Go, Calais.
are
Boo. Boo, I'm out of here.
investigating relations to the Hatch Act.
Ghosts.
But again, you'll have to talk to them.
Scooby-Doo.
The existence of the investigation,
Investigation.
let alone learn
Let
more about
alone.
what